The mood in camp, first of all, is very good, and we thank God for that. Also, we are full house. It's only some knocks here and there, but we believe they are playable. So we appreciate the efforts, and we know the momentum that we are having now. We also know what happened in our first game against Bidco and the history behind this fixture. But all in all, we are prepared well. The confidence now is in the team, and we hope to at least turn around the tables, at least to win this game, to try and win the games that we lost or drew in the first leg. So as we start the second leg tomorrow, we believe and we are hopeful that we are going for maximum points. Yeah, of course, every player in this team now, they know the gratitude of this game. They know what it means, apart from now the fixture, also the history behind it. Like you see, we are tied in the log, and we believe when you win, we have to win our game so that we keep the pace, because we don't know what can happen with our opponents in their fixture. So we cannot determine their game, but we can always determine our game. So for us, we are focused on winning our matches, and we believe we're starting from tomorrow. So there's no room now for laxity or even dropping any kind of points.